Let's talk about installing Cucumber Eclipse plugin. To install the Cucumber Eclipse plugin, click on Help, go to Eclipse Marketplace. It takes some time to load the stuff. Please wait for a moment. Now enter Cucumber in the search field. Click on Go. Here you can see Naturals 0.7.6. It's a Cucumber Eclipse plugin which supports Gherkin and BDD, etc. Click on the Install button. Right now, in our tutorial, we are working with Cucumber. So select the Cucumber. By default, it is selected. Do not select JBehave because we are working with Cucumber. Click on the Confirm button. It takes some time to download and add the Cucumber plugin. Let's wait. Click on I accept the terms of license agreement. Click on Finish. Now you can see at the end installing the software. It takes some time to download and install the software. Please wait. So during the installation, you get to see a warning. Ignore the warning and click on Install Anyway. You are required to restart the Eclipse. Click on Restart Now and wait for the Eclipse to restart. So with the restart of Eclipse, the Cucumber Eclipse plugin is installed. If you want to confirm the plugin is installed or not, again go to Help, go to Eclipse Marketplace, type Cucumber, click on Go. Here you can see the Naturals plugin is installed. So it is to confirm the plugin is installed. So that is how we'll be installing the Naturals Cucumber plugin.